The Dearborn Senior Center recently held its fourth annual open house, where adults 50 and over and their families could find out what the center has to offer. Everyone who stopped by had an opportunity to have refreshments, in addition to learning about some of the clubs that meet at the center, like the Sewing and Crochet Club and the Adult Coloring Group. Also available was a chance to play pickleball and an opportunity to learn about other programs like Meals on Wheels, Fall of Life, and Senior Travel. To learn more about the Dearborn Senior Center and senior services, call 313-943-2412.